Hello my friends, welcome back to the mini short Christmas edition this year. Yes, I decided in the last moment just to throw a few recipes for you, just to suggest something in the last moment so you can decide what is gonna be your tipo for Christmas. So far we did the one hot ginger, which is a wonderful winter warmer for every day during the holiday season. Anytime, apart from the morning, please, okay? Also, I hope you enjoyed the yesterday video with the Christmas cherry, a fantastic party cocktail or aperitif cocktail. Wonderful sip. Today we're moving further, and this one, it's more about the after dinner party when you need a nightcap or a lovely slow sip when you sit on the sofa and just relaxing after stuff yourself with a turkey or whatever you eat on the Christmas dinner, okay? So today we're doing the Christmas special, a wonderful, boozy, warm, spicy, festive cocktail based on a cognac, but in my case, I'm gonna do it with a brandy. So the Christmas special, again, easy. I try to pick up very easy cocktails for you for this Christmas because you don't want to spend time shaking and doing so much things. So we're just gonna stir it. Simple as that. The cocktail originally, the Christmas special, it's based on a cognac. So if you prefer the cognac over a brandy, if you like more the dry side of the cocktails, stick with the cognac. I do prefer the sweet side, so I'm gonna go with the brandy. And in my case, I'm gonna use St-Rémy XO. So it's a Christmas, let's treat ourselves. You need some Pedro Ximénez sherry. Definitely need Pedro Ximénez. Then you need Napoléon, Mandarine Napoléon. So this is a liqueur made with mandarins or clementines, if you don't know what is mandarin, because some people ask me what's mandarin, so I have to explain it's a type of a clement. Anyway, whatever. So it's basically based on a brandy. It's something similar to the Grand Marnier idea, but it's a mandarin. So if you don't have this, you can use Grand Marnier or you can use Cointreau. You just need something citrusy inside, orangey, okay? But in the form of a liqueur. And finally, to make it really festive, we're gonna drop a little bit of hazelnut liqueur in the form of Frangelico. So simple as that. And if you're ready, let's build it up. Now, I'm gonna use one of my big chunk of ice, which it's left after I'm doing the clear ice, okay? I love this ice going everywhere. That's the joy of doing a big chunk of ice. Let's break it. There you go, 2 of them. Now, as I mentioned in the video with the cherry, the Christmas cherry, I'm using this ice because when I do create clear ice in the mold, something like that, the excess ice on the bottom, there's no point throwing it away because you can be used. So this is what we're doing. Right, a very good amount of the brandy or a cognac, depends whatever you decide to use. I'm gonna be using 45 ml or 1.5 ounces. So that's your base spirit, that's the base of the cocktail. It will be wonderful, warm, sweet. Oh, fantastic, I can't wait. Then to sweeten a little bit of things, we're gonna go with Pedro Ximénez sherry, which is basically a sherry which is aged for about 30 to 35 years. Look at the color of that thing. It's dark, it's sweet, it smells of lovely like a figs, raisins. Very, very sweet. I usually like it on top of my ice cream because it's extremely sweet to drink it just like that. But hey, some people do it. Same amount, 15 ml or 1/2 ounce of your Mandarine Napoléon, or depends, in your case, could be a Grand Marnier or an orange Curacao or Cointreau, whatever you decide, whatever you have at home. And finally, to make it a little bit festive, to add some nuttiness to the cocktail, we have 7.5 ml, which is 1/4 ounce, I think, of the Frangelico. Now, as you can see, I'm using a measure here, but other times you've seen me using a bar spoon. So if you don't have the measure 7.5, use a bar spoon and just a little tipo on the top and you'll be fine. And this is it. That's everything what you need to do. Give it a good stir, don't need too much, you just need to chill, to dilute a little bit, because basically it's all spirits. And while I'm doing this, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, you can always click the subscribe button. Don't be shy. Click this notification bell on the side so you don't miss any videos. And of course, if you like what you see, show some love, click the like button, okay? Now that's away. Tomorrow, there will be another cocktail. But it may not be that much festive for Christmas. However, it will be nice. So some people like different stuff around Christmas. So I think I should include them as well. And also it's a cocktail which is made with ingredients which I create on my second channel, Mixology Art. So if you've never heard of this channel yet, make sure you check the link in the description and maybe subscribe as well. This week I did, in the weekend obviously, which passed away, I did something with the pandan leaves, and that's what we're gonna use tomorrow for the cocktail, or cocktails. I don't know yet. I keep debating with myself. Right, we are ready. Ooh, I'm ready for this. Can't wait. Glass, old-fashioned glass. Nothing fancy, just a normal old-fashioned glass. And as I mentioned, if you have like clear ice or a big cube of ice, use it. If not, 3, 4, 5 cubes of ice, you'll be brilliant, okay? Strainer. Let's strain our Christmas special. And because it's all festive, we'll be garnishing with the orange slice. You can garnish if you want with the orange peel or lemon peel. Literally, there's no any particular garnish here. I just like orange with the Pedro Ximénez, and we have the Mandarine Napoléon, so it's kind of a pairing good, but hey, it's up to you. And this, my friend, is the Christmas special. Cheers! Fantastic. The perfect nightcap, yeah? You have a lovely dinner and everybody sit down, play some board games or whatever you do, watch TV, and you just need something to chill down, have a nice tipo on the side and just enjoy the evening. That's the one, Christmas special. All right, so I'm gonna go enjoy it. Hopefully you're gonna make it and tag me on Instagram or just leave a comment. And as always, I'll see you next time with another video, which is gonna be tomorrow. Until then, as I always say, I love you and I leave you. Bye-bye. Cheers.